Just getting started here by taking some juicy chicken breast and putting it right here into our crock pot. Now I'm coming in with some Olive Garden Italian dressing. Let's give that a little shake. And all I'm gonna do with this is I'm just gonna start here and I'm gonna pour this entire bottle of Italian dressing right here in with this chicken. Oh, I know, you guys, wait and see. You're going to love this stuff. Okay, so we just put in our Italian dressing. Now we have a block of this Philadelphia cream cheese, and I'm just gonna come right here in with my scissors. And what I'm gonna do is I'm cutting out just a little block of cream cheese, and I'm just going to set that right throughout the top of this Italian dressing. Oh, you guys, this is creamy, delicious, easy meal. You're going to love this. I guarantee it every time. It's like foolproof. My favorite kind of cooking. We are looking great. Now we're gonna add a little bit of chopped parsley. We'll just go ahead and sprinkle that right in there. As much parsley as you want, but save some for the side so we can use it after we're all done too. So set some parsley aside. On top of all of that, a little bit of Parmesan cheese. Now I'm just gonna eyeball it. I'm gonna pour about, I don't know, I'd probably say about a cup, maybe a little under, of Parmesan cheese. We just wanna cover all of that top. And again, if you wanna save some Parmesan cheese, put it to the side for after, that would be great. All right, now all we need to do is stick this lid on. Ooh, we're gonna cover that chicken. It's covered with the Italian dressing. We have the cream cheese on there, the parsley, the Parmesan cheese. This is going to be delicious. All we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn on our crock pot. We're gonna cook it on low for about 4 to 5 hours, and stick around because we still have another step, and I think you're really gonna love this one. Oh my goodness, you guys, the house smells so good. Oh, look at that. It is dinner time and we are hungry around here. Wow, this looks amazing. Okay, I can see the creaminess even from the cream cheese in here, and all we're gonna do, look at how tender this chicken is. We're just coming in. We're just gonna shred all of this chicken up. Oh, it is so, look at that. It is just falling apart in here. This is going to be delicious. So that's it. Your chicken should be tender enough to just come in and just to shred it with your forks. I'm just gonna do it right here in the crock pot. You could always take it out if you wanted, but less of a mess, and this works just fine. Now here we have our pasta noodles. We're just gonna pour those right in there. Ooh, yeah. Then we'll go ahead and just give this a stir. Look at that. We are just mixing all of the chicken and the sauce in together with these pasta noodles. Such a good, easy, filling dinner right here. Ooh, look at all that chicken, the way it just mixes right in. I love the rigatoni noodles because some of the inside just stays in there, like gets inside the noodle. Ooh, it's so good like that. Look at how great that looks. Gonna come back in with some Parmesan cheese to top it off. I'll just sprinkle that Parmesan right on top of this delicious pasta we have going on there. Ooh, that looks so good. And then I have some of that parsley. If you had some leftover parsley, just throw that on top. Ooh, yeah, this is what I'm talking about right here. So, so, so good. Let's give this a try. Look at that. Wow, that is so, I already know it's just gonna be so good. Babe, you're gonna love this stuff right here. Mm-hmm. I know, he's like waiting for me to give him a bite, aren't you?
Yep.
Okay, that looks good. We got a little bit of parsley, a little Parmesan. We got some chicken in there. All right, babe, it's your turn. You can come over, give this a try for me. I'm excited for you to try this.
It looks delicious.
Yeah, it smells so good. All right. It might be a little hot. Okay. I think the Italian dressing too just like makes the chicken so tender. Ooh, all right. Well, he's gonna be taking that and enjoying that. I'm gonna have to grab a bowl for myself, and I hope that you enjoy it just as much as we do, and we'll see you later.
Keep on cooking.